Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili pickle with vinegar using an easy method. This simple recipe brings a delightful kick to any meal. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. You'll need about 250 grams of chilies, 1 cup of vinegar, and a few key spices. Let's get started on creating this delicious condiment that's perfect for enhancing your dishes. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the chilies. First, wash them thoroughly and make sure they are completely dry. This is crucial for preventing any spoilage. Next, carefully remove all the stems. Then, slice your chilies into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch in length. Finally, combine these sliced chilies with 2 tablespoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a bowl, mixing well. With the chilies prepared, it's time to cook our pickle. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, allowing them to splutter. Then, introduce the salted chilies to the pan and sauté them for about 5 minutes. Finally, pour in 1 cup of white vinegar and let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes until the chilies have softened. Once your delicious chili pickle is cooked, proper storage is key to enjoying it for longer. First, ensure the pickle cools down completely to room temperature before transferring it. Then, spoon the cooled pickle into a clean, sterilized, and airtight glass jar. Refrigerating your homemade chili pickle will help maintain its freshness for several weeks. Now, you can enjoy this flavorful condiment with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.